Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. In the delight stage of the inbound methodology, the focus shifts to providing ongoing value to customers, turning them into long-term clients and advocates for your brand. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Existing customers seeking deeper knowledge. Customers who have already purchased your product or service might be interested in eBooks that provide advanced usage tips, detailed guides for getting the most out of their purchase, or deeper insights into related topics. Brand advocates looking for shareable content. Engaged customers who are enthusiastic about your brand can be provided with eBooks that they can share within their network. This content could be educational, entertaining, or insightful, enhancing their status as knowledgeable sources in their communities. Long-term clients interested in complementary products or services. For clients who have been with your brand for a while, eBooks can introduce complementary products or services, or provide information on advanced features or upgrades they might not be aware of. Feedback-oriented customers. Customers who are active in giving feedback can benefit from eBooks that delve into the future direction of your products or services, or that ask for input on potential new offerings. Community members in your niche or industry. If you have a community around your brand, eBooks can serve as a value add for these members, offering them in-depth information on industry trends, thought leadership pieces, or detailed research studies. Customers seeking personal or professional growth. For products or services related to personal development, career growth, or educational fields, eBooks can provide advanced content that helps customers in their personal or professional journeys. Loyal customers interested in brand story or behind-the-scenes insights. eBooks that tell your brand story, share behind-the-scenes looks at your company, or feature customer success stories can deepen the emotional connection and loyalty of your customers. Customers looking for continued support and learning, especially in areas like technology, health, or finance. Customers often seek ongoing education and support. eBooks that offer this continued learning can keep them engaged and satisfied with your brand. In the delight stage, eBooks play a crucial role in continuing to provide value to customers, keeping them engaged and satisfied with your brand, and turning them into advocates who will promote your brand to others. This not only helps in retaining customers, but also in attracting new ones through positive word of mouth and shared resources. Thanks for watching. I am Professor Vernon with Optimart Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.